Plastic pollution in oceans and on land. First oceanographic study to examine the amount of near-surface plastic debris in the world's oceans was published in 2014. It estimated that at least 5.25 trillion individual plastic particles weighing roughly 244,000 metric tons, 269000 short tons, were floating on or near the surface. A 2021 study determined that 44% of plastic debris in rivers and oceans was made up of bags, bottles, and items related to takeout meals. Plastic pollution was first noticed in the ocean by scientists carrying out plankton studies in the late 1960s and early 1970s, and oceans and beaches still receive most of the attention of those studying and working to abate plastic pollution. Floating plastic waste has been shown to accumulate in 5 subtropical gyres that cover 60% of the world's oceans. Located at Earth's mid-latitudes, these gyres include the North and South Pacific subtropical gyres, whose eastern garbage patches have garnered the attention of scientists and the media. The other gyres are the North and South Atlantic subtropical gyres and the Indian Ocean subtropical gyre. In the ocean, plastic pollution can kill marine mammals directly through entanglement in objects such as fishing gear, but it can also kill through ingestion by being mistaken for food. Studies have found that all kinds of species, including small zooplankton, large cetaceans, most seabirds, and all marine turtles, readily ingest plastic bits and trash items such as cigarette lighters, plastic bags and bottle caps. Sunlight and seawater imbrittle plastic, and the eventual breakdown of larger objects into microplastics makes plastic available to zooplankton and other small marine animals. Such small pieces of plastic, which are less than 5 毫米 (0.2 英寸 ch) in length, make up a sizable fraction of plastic waste in the oceans. By 2018, microplastics have been found in the organs of more than 114 aquatic species, including some species found only in the deepest ocean trenches. By 2020, scientists had estimated that at least 14 million metric tons of microplastic particles were resting on the floor of the ocean. There are also terrestrial aspects to plastic pollution. Drainage systems become clogged with plastic bags, films, and other items, causing flooding. Land birds such as the reintroduced California condor have been found with plastic in their stomachs, and animals that normally feed in waste dumps, for instance. Sacred cows of India have had intestinal blockages from plastic packaging. The mass of plastic is not greater than that of other major components of waste, but it takes up a disproportionately large volume. Phthalates are plasticizers, softeners used to make plastic products less brittle. They are found in medical devices, food packaging, automobile upholstery, flooring materials, and computers, as well as in pharmaceuticals, perfumes, and cosmetics. BPA used in the manufacture of clear hard polycarbonate plastics and strong epoxy coatings and adhesives is present in packaging, bottles, compact discs, medical devices, and the linings of food cans. PBDE is added to plastics as a flame retardant, and all these compounds have been detected in humans and are known to disrupt the endocrine system. Phthalates act against male hormones and are therefore known as anti-androgens. BPA mimics the natural female hormone estrogen, and PBDE has been shown to disrupt thyroid hormones, in addition to being an anti-androgen. People most vulnerable to such hormone-disrupting chemicals are children and women of reproductive age. These compounds have also been implicated in hormone disruption of animals in terrestrial, aquatic, and marine habitats. The effects are seen in laboratory animals at blood levels lower than those found in the average resident of a developed country. Amphibians, mollusks, worms, insects, crustaceans, and fish show effects on their reproduction and development, including alterations in the number of offspring, produce disruption of larval development.